In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the background color in your Mailchimp email campaign. Updating your background color is a quick way to make your emails look polished, on-brand, and easier to read, whether you're announcing a promotion or sending a newsletter. First, open Mailchimp and sign in to your account. Once you're in, head to the Campaign section. Find the email campaign you want to edit and open it. If you're starting from a draft, that works too. From there, click Design Email to launch the email editor. This is where you'll control the look and feel of your message. On the right side of the editor, look for a tab labeled Design or Page, depending on which Mailchimp editor you're using. In the current builder, you may see a panel called Page Styles, or Overall Design Settings. If you're in an older or classic builder, the label might differ slightly, but the idea is the same. You're looking for the Global Style Controls. Within that panel, locate the Background section. This is the control that sets the color behind your email's content. Click the color selector to open the color picker. You can drag to find a shade you like, or, for precise branding, enter a hex code. If you have a brand style guide, this is where you can paste in your exact color value for a consistent look across campaigns. You can adjust the background for the entire email, which applies a uniform backdrop, or tweak specific sections like the header, body, or footer if your template supports section-level styles. This is useful if you want a subtle variation, such as a light gray for the body and a white footer to separate content visually. As you choose colors, keep readability in mind. Make sure your text contrasts clearly with the background so links and buttons remain easy to see. Use the preview option to check how the background looks with your content. Scan your headings, paragraphs, and buttons to ensure nothing blends into the background. If your editor shows both desktop and mobile previews, review both so your message looks clean on smaller screens. If something feels too heavy or too light, go back to the color selector and fine-tune. When you're happy with how everything looks, click Save and Close to apply the changes. That's it. Your background color is updated and aligned with your brand. With just a few adjustments, you've boosted the visual impact of your email and made it easier for your audience to engage.